American.
It's like she has multiple personalities.
Standard British.
It's like she has multiple personalities.
Devonshire.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
German.
It's like she has multiple personalities.
Scottish.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Geordie.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Brummie.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Yorkshire.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Scouse.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Irish.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Russian.
It's like she have multiple personalities.
Cockney.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
South African.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Northern Irish.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
New Zealand.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
British RP.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
New York.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Australian.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Welsh.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
French.
It is like she have multiple personalities.
Southern.
It's like she has multiple personalities.
Jamaican.
It's like she have multiple personalities.
West Country.
It's like she's got multiple personalities.
Spanish.
It's like she have multiple personalities.
Canadian.
It's like she has multiple personalities.
Dutch.
It's like she have multiple personalities.